Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. I'm here to teaching you the story about the Wimberly, who she is very worried in every time. In fact, on big things, small things also, in the morning also, at night also. In fact, throughout all the day, she is worried. She is worried about that. The swings the swings, in fact the slides also, the everything she is worried. Then mother said that why are you too much worrying? It's very bad things that it's worrying about every times. Then on her birthday party also, that nobody has came, then again she become worried. Then whenever she is worried, she is used to rub his petals, ears petals. Petals is her doll. Then he think, then again he worried, if he will if he will rub his her petal ears, then again the petal ears will not left at all. For that also she become worried. Then father said, why are you too much worried? If you worry, then I also feel worry. Mother said, worry, why are you too much worried? Then the narrator, soon Wimberly had a new worry school. Wimberly worried about the start of school more than anything she had ever worried about before. By the time the first day arrived, Wimberly had a long list of worries. Then after that, suddenly he just joined a new worry school, and then Wimberly just have started to school that anything, and then he wrote, means he's worried much that before. And then he, at the first time, he just arrived to the school and he written all the list about of the whenever when she is worries. Then Wimberly, what if no one else has spots? What if no one else wears strips? What if no one else bring a doll? What if the teacher is mean? What if the room smells bad? What if they make fun of my name? What if can find the bathrooms? What if I hate snacks? And what if I have to cry? Then she started thinking that what I should wear, why I should wear brings the dolls, what the teacher will think for me, what the room smells bad. Then he just said, think that all students will make fun of my name, or I can find the bathrooms, or I can hit the snacks, or I should cry. Then the mother said that don't worry. Father also said that don't worry. Then the narrator said that but Wimberly worried. She worried and worried and worried again. Then she worried all the way there. While Wimberly parents talked to the teacher, Mr. Peachum worried looked around the room. Then when the parents are talking with her parents also, in front of them also, she's worried and she looked around the room. Mrs. Peachum, Wimberly, there is someone I think you should meet. Then the Wimberly said that there is someone that you should meet that person. Her name was Joel. She was standing by herself. She was wearing stripes. She was holding a doll. Then she's name is Joel. She is standing behind herself and she is wearing the stripes, and she is also holding a doll. At first time, Wimberly and Joel just peeked at each other. That was the first time that Wimberly and Joel, they both looked quickly in front of each other. Wimberly, this is Petal. Joel, this is Niblet. Then Wimberly explained her that it is this is Petal, introducing her doll that my doll name is Petal, and Joel also introduced her doll that my doll name is Niblet. Then narrator, Petal waved, Niblet waved back. Joel, hi. Wimberly, hi. Joel, I rub her nose. Wimberly, I rub her ears. Then he just saying that whenever I become that worried, I just rubbed her nose. Then Wimberly said, I also rubbed her ears. Throughout the morning, Wimberly and Joel sat side by side and played together whenever they could. Petal and Niblet sat side by side too. Then throughout all the morning, the Wimberly and Joel, they spend time together, and they just play together whenever they can play. And then Petal and Nibelt, they sat together all the day. Narrator: Wimberly worried, but no more than usual, and sometimes even less. Before worrying knew it, it was time to go home. Mrs. Peachum, come back tomorrow. Wimberly turned and smiled and waved. Wimberly, I will, don't worry. Then after the Wimberly what said that, but do not more unusual. Before you have very less times, even less. So before that, you just go to your home. Then Mrs. Peachum said that again you will come back, and then again the both was past her smile, and then Wimberly said that I will, don't worry. Again I will come tomorrow and I will enjoy time with the Joel. So that much is the chapter, and I hope you guys understood the chapter. And this story is written by Kelvin Henkins, who is an American writer and illustrator of children's books. So only that much is the story. So I hope you guys understood. And one more thing, that don't worry every time. If there is a worriness, so you have to find out the situation, find out the solution, that from how we can came out from that worriness. So we have to, everyone is worried about everything, but it is important to get over these all worries. So I hope you guys understood like that. See, Wimberly also, he has worry, he is just get over these all worries in front of her friend. So like that also we all get over these worriness. And I hope you guys understood the chapter. In next video I am going to give you the word so that you can find out their meaning from the dictionary. And I hope you guys understood the chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.